Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, broskies and sisters, to our reaction channel. We have another video for us today. And if this is your first time here, let me officially welcome you to the gang. Over here, we react to funny comedy skits from TikTok. Basically, we're just trying to get a laugh and have a nice time. It's all about good vibes over here. You feel me? With a little bit of violence, though. If you know, you know. But yeah, we have a new video, and I can't wait for us to check it out. You know, the last ones we've been doing have been really good. So let's keep the tempo going, you feel me? Let's not bring the energy down. And if you want to be part of the gang, you know what to do. Subscribe and let's go crazy. Run for your life, bro. Run for your life, bro.
I enter club, everywhere quiet, pass exam hall. I ask who get club, what the fuck is going on? He said one anonymous female baller run transfer wey carry 8 zeros to the company's account. I asked why. She said that transfer is for 2 hours silent. She has an urgent call to make in the VIP section. So who don't get money? Shh, silent. Intimidation promise not pass like this. And
It's 2024. Yeah, calm down. Who no get money? Let them breathe. Let the ball breathe. Please. So he was cleaning up his room.
To witness violence, not to partake in it in any form.
This is
we do not support the
oppressors,
nor do we feel sorry for the
oppressed,
and we won't tolerate peace on this ground.
never.
So as I was saying, you know, the last week.
Hey, y'all, come look at this. This relationship is an epic failure.
Yes, it is. Just like a failed career.
Violence.
I don't want peace.
I want problem.
What be this?
Bros, now my new song where I won't drop. How you see am now?
This no noise now. Violence! Instead of music and noise, I live for this. This violence needs fuel.
Young comrade, you see this? This is the passion for violence. You know, follow him, you take him on. Follow him.
The violent ones are not yet born.
You guys can't keep fighting like this all the time.
What's it with that?
Peace. Oh my God.
Now,
Wow.
I come in peace.
Oh, yeah. Who invited you here?
With the pubic hair on your face.
Same reason your wife left you.
Church.
Why don't you use the same church or church to save your marriage?
Comrade, hold me tight. Hello, sir.
Hello?
Sir, we need backup for this violence.
Baba, you joke.
That's crazy. That's funny, bro. Are you serious? Are you really? Yeah, I don't know how people recover from something like that because that's the saddest thing that could happen to any man, to anybody actually. I don't know how you would recover from that. That is just like that's the lowest of lows. Like that's hard.
Baba, see, make I tell you. As I dey talk to you now, I need like 1 million naira.
1 million.
Mm-hmm.
And the God say you go bring cow now.
Cow.
Eh.
How you want to buy the cow?
Make I make come.
How will you get the cow though?
Hello? Emeka, how much they sell cow now?
Cow 1.1 million.
You said how much again?
You know that 1.1 million?
That means you don't see get if you don't finish.
Jesus.
Anyway, my son,
Who be your son?
my friend,
Who be your friend?
my brother.
You don't know people where your mama born.
Anyway, you go be now because I don't say you no go want to
If na you go do.
Funny people.
So
I go buy one go.
I swear.
Say na 1.1 million. For who they buy 1 million?
so you're looking for 1 million, and the gods want you to buy a cow that is what 1.1 million. So that means you will still short 100. So the gods will gain 100, and you will short 100. That's crazy, bro.
So
Bro.
the only way to get back to your ex, give her time. Make calls even more frequent. Are we together?
Huh?
Then show her you're better, but mostly financially. I'm telling you. Eh? A moment. Beautiful young lady.
Yes, please.
Good afternoon.
God have mercy upon us.
What's wrong? I thought you were going to confess that beautiful lady. I looked at her, assessed her from head to toe.
Continue.
I couldn't afford anything. This year, a woman that you can't afford anything, leave her to go. Don't put yourself on pressure. I couldn't even afford her nails.
You be mumu.
Let us focus this 2023 and we move. Are we moving or not?
We move. That's the same message you will preach 2024. Keep focused
What made
and
you to
move.
date your ex?
I'm not going to do past yourself.
Me.
We're not
I
doing
got
that.
the advice from a madman.
Wait. Let's bring that one back. Wait.
What made you to date your ex? Me.
I got the advice from a madman.
That was a very popular moment for Peter Obi. That's crazy, yo.
So it says here on your CV that you happen to be a motivational speaker and a life coach.
Well, yes, something like that.
So is that why you insisted on applying for a job even after we told you there was no vacancy?
You know, the first question I ask people is that, are you willing to give your life for what you want? I wanted this very badly, and that is why I insisted and I persisted, and that is why I'm able to be seated where you are.
All right, can you please stop that speaker?
What? He brought the speaker to an interview.
Is this how you normally go about motivating people?
I have other ways, but let's not let that cat out of the bag.
Also says here that you're applying for the
I was expecting a cat to come out from the bag. I swear, I won't even lie.
office of the head of the HR department.
Yes.
Okay. Did you maybe, I don't know, maybe think like that would be like my job or something?
I'm aware, but you see, if you let me motivate you, you would see.
Wait, hold on. I'm sorry that I keep pausing this thing, but it's a reaction video. You feel me?
Also says here that you're applying for the office of the head of the HR department.
Yes.
Okay. Did you maybe, I don't know, maybe think like that would be like my job or something?
I'm aware, but you see, if you let me motivate you, you would see that there are better opportunities for you out there. I think you can step up from this, or don't you want to see this as a room for improvement?
No, because this is the room for interviews. And speaking of interviews, I believe we have concluded this one. I'm sorry, there's no vacancy for you here. This interview, to be honest, was merely a formality. I don't know why you...
Sorry to burst your bubbles, but I'm afraid I don't take no for an answer.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
You heard me, Isaac. You see, there's a gun in my bag. I call her Cartridge automated turban.
Oh, that's...
Because she'll blow the roof off your fucking head.
Let the
But
cat
no
out the
pressure.
bag.
You see,
Don't think of calling the security now. You see, when you risk your life for minimum wage, there's a certain price that motivates you to leave. Not quite high, I suppose.
you see, I have here a copy of your resignation letter to make things easy for you.
You have the job I want the job you have. But the first question I'll ask you is, are you willing to give your life for what you want?
You know how we do.
He who wishes to be obeyed must know how to command. That was a very creative content. That was a very smart creative content. I applaud that content. That was fire. That was fire, bro. Well written, well acted. Fire. Fire. Mo.
Now you call me, come have say you vet me. So bros, I don't come, any I won't be rest must follow me course. If you say if now rise my problem, accept. It's my problem. Give it to me and let me live.
What will you do for rice? Wow, that's how fast you'll be switching up on your friends like that. Damn, he switched so fast. Huh? Huh? How did they even lay the bricks? How did they lay the bricks? So why they were building it, they didn't see it, they didn't realize it? Like, that is the most what the F moment. Like, people built this. So how did it? I have questions. I have so many questions right now. That's rice. Yeah, if you know, you know. It's Christmas period, isn't it? It is the perfect ending. Yo, that's crazy, bro. That is crazy, man. The last part was definitely crazy. That's just how you get it. Use what you have to get what you want or to attract what you want. You feel me? He got rice. He needed a chicken. So he got the rice and he attracted the chicken and he got chicken. But hey, man, we're done. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys for checking out the video. I hope you have a wonderful one. I'll see you guys on the next video and we out on God.